Yeah, sloth.
And we're walking in the rainforest. What will we see? Crikey, I think I found a Sheila. And these are cocoa seeds, pods. What do we see up there? Oh, there's a sloth, Mother. You see it? Sloth, right up there.
Three.
Oh, there he is, right there. You ever zoom in with your camera? You see him? That ball right there on the branch. Hmm? You know what?
Now I'm out of my party. Hey guys.
He's right there.
You can
ball.
see the face on that end. Oh, okay. I'm wondering. I'm coming.
Hope it's not poo-poo day.
Right there. Yeah. You can't get a good. Oh. Okay, right there.
How would you like it if you're trying to nap and everybody's over here snapping pictures of you? I don't know.
Is he still looking this way? Or did he turn around?
No, he tucked his head back in.
There he is, right there, Mama.
He's two toes.
Right there.
Oh.
From color, right? That is two toes.
I want to see a monkey. People freaking me out. Yeah. Don't get us lost, Mother. We'll never come out of the rainforest. Yeah. I keep getting buzzed by a bug. He apparently doesn't like me. Alright, so this is the Costa Rica rainforest, and we're on a path. And we've already spotted a sloth and a Sheila in her natural habitat.
Oh, this is not Sheila's natural habitat.
Oh, you're not a woman of the jungle? You're not Eve? Yeah, really cool in here though. Lots of plants and flowers. Hear lots of birds chirping. Look at the size of that. That's a big tree. Got some banana trees. I will tell you, it is really hot and steamy in here. I probably sweat out about 20 pounds. Yeah, I'm watching. Keep up with the group, Mother. We'll get lost. We'll have to sound a rescue. Yeah. You remember the ficus trees back in Florida? Those are some water drinking plants. Crazy roots. Here, you go ahead of me. Otherwise, I'll keep you way back.
No, that's what I'm just. I'm in awe, so I'm kind of slow too.
Oh my, yeah, look at the size of that cherry. Look at the roots, base of that thing. Look at the roots. Crazy. All right, we're losing the group. They were never seen again. Their 9 children having to raise themselves as the search goes on for their parents in the Costa Rica rainforest. I'm watching and filming. I want a puma or a jaguar come out and eat us. I hear something rustling in the woods.
Heck, a butterfly flew by me and I jumped.
Oh, that was gorilla. That was a monkey. Shh, listen. It's a wild group of monkeys. Oh, now you want to catch up with the group. I'll protect you. That's monkeys. You hear them? They're probably watching us, getting ready to attack. You hear them all? Well, this wasn't part of it. It was supposed to be a boat. Where's the monkeys? They're in here somewhere. I mean, you can hear them. Some kind of monkey chirping in the background. And then like the other ones were answering. And my wife's getting a little skittish. Mama bear. Not much of a mama bear in the jungle. She's a polar bear. Where are the gorillas? I need to see the monkeys. I want a monkey. Mama bear won't let me have one. Where are the monkeys? Maybe up there somewhere. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear it?
Look at the roots.
Yeah. I'm looking for the monkey that's going to come attack us. They're watching us. Haven't you watched Planet of the Apes? Yep.
It's got plenty of things to swim.
Yeah. I wonder if there's any venomous snakes around here. I've never been on a zoo tour where you're the food. And you signed a waiver. Yeah, if a gorilla rips your face off, it's okay. Because we're on safari. Oops. Yeah, I'm dying. Just wanted you to see how hot it is. I fit in with the water buffalo. The sounds in this forest are so cool. I hope this mic's picking it up. Yeah. Rainforest bananas right there growing.